guys, it's Ksenia and welcome to Vlogmas Day 2.
You're a mean one, Mr.
So for today's video, if you don't know who I am, I'm Cindy Lou Who from How the Grinch Stole Christmas, and I'm going to be doing a tutorial on how to get this hair look, so just keep watching. So to start off, I'm just parting my hair. I'm putting 3/4 of the hair up in a bun and then leaving 1/4 of the hair down. And then I'm splitting the bottom hair in half and adding some texturizing spray so that the hair can be a little thicker. Then I backcombed it a bit just to give it more volume. And then I went ahead and started braiding the hair. I'm tying it with a clear elastic band, and then I do the same thing for the other side. Then I'm taking my hair down and I'm going to use a water bottle to make the hair stay up. I'm putting about 1/4 of the hair to the back and then the front and sides to the front, and then you just have to wrap your hair around the water bottle. This just takes a little bit of patience. You just have to smooth it out, brush it out, use some hairspray, whatever works. And then after you do that, just tie it with a scrunchie so it stays. After that, I am taking a bow that I made with a bobby pin and clipping it to the top of the hair. And then to cover that scrunchie, I found the silver tie. So I tied that around the scrunchie for more color. And then you curl the ends of that ponytail to give it more flair. Then I just spread it out with my fingers to give it more shape. And then hairsprayed it. And then I am fixing it just to the way I like it. And then it's onto the braids. So you just use 3 or 4 bobby pins, how many ever you need for each side, and just clip the braids up. And then I also spread the braids out a little bit so that they could be a little thicker. Doing the same thing on the other side now. And then I'm just fixing the hair so it looks just the way I like it. And then I found these 2 red flowers. They use these to tie up gift bags, so I just put them in my hair for some more color, and that's it.
You're a mean one, Mr. Grinch.
So guys, the finished hair tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. I definitely did. I think this will be really funny to wear to like a ugly Christmas sweater party and just show up like this. If I get invited to one, maybe I'll do this. I think that'll be hysterical. So today's shout out goes to Hey It's Dylan. Thank you so much for the comment. Shout out to you. If you guys didn't know, I'm doing a shout out every single day during Vlogmas. If you want a shout out, all you have to do is thumbs up this video and leave a comment down below. For today's comment, leave a request for what you would want to see during Vlogmas if you have any video ideas for me. And I love you guys so much. Please give this video a like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow, Vlogmas Day 3. Mwah!